Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Live Reviewed. My name is Deb and I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are back with another unboxing video. We have here the Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite. So this is the cheapest Fire Stick that is available right now out there. So usually the price of this is around 4,000, but recently there was a sale, and in most of the sales you can get it for around 2000. So I would say that is a very good deal. So as I said, this is the light version. So light, you might ask, why is it a light? So what is missing? So in the sense, this remote control does not have the power switch and the volume up down button, and the rest are mostly same as the original version or the 4K version. Of course, in the 4K they have 4K. This does not have it. So let me tell you a bit about this one first before we go into the unboxing. This has full HD. So it supports 1080. Comes with Alexa Voice Remote Lite. You can use Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, Hotstar, Z5 and many other things here. Of course, you will need a subscription for that. But what is free apart from that? So you will get YouTube Kids, MXPlayer and TVFPlay free in this. So usually that is, anyways, that doesn't make a very much of a difference, but yeah, just so that you know. So you can use Alexa, the inbuilt Alexa, to open anything from here. You can just press the button and say that Alexa open YouTube or any other channel, Alexa open Disney or Netflix, and it will do so for you. Another good thing in this is, in today's day and age, it comes with parental control. So you can control what your children watch in this, and you know, the internet is a big place, and the children can easily be taken off into the dark corner. So to avoid that, it comes with the parental control, and that is one good thing. It is very easy to set up. You just plug it in the HDMI port behind your TV and it just stays out of sight. So that's another good thing. This has quad core 1.7 gigahertz. The storage of this is 8 GB of internal storage. This is Bluetooth 5.0. The audio support of this is HDMI audio pass-through for Dolby Digital Plus and Dolby Atmos. What that basically means is they will not give you those things with this, but if you have that, it can pass through there. I mean, basically you will get it if you already have the subscription of that. This will pass through and this will not cancel it out. High definition TV with HDMI capable of 1080p or 720p, and the frame rate of this is 60 frame per second. So that's usual. So yeah, that's the features of that. Let me show you what's behind the box. Yeah, start streaming. Yeah, what I said just now, great performance and pictures, full HD, Alexa voice remote, yes, TV, blah blah blah. So yeah, basically what I said. And 3,999, that's it. 4,000. May 2021, this is the recent 2021 version, made in China. And yeah, let me show you what's on this side, what's included. Fire Stick Lite, Alexa voice remote. This has two batteries, AAA batteries, good power adapter, USB cable, HDMI extender cable. So that's nice. High-speed internet cable with Wi-Fi. You will need a Wi-Fi connection. HD TV with HDMI input. That reminds me, if you decide to buy this, make sure that this is compatible with your TV, because this is not compatible with all the TVs out there. You just go to Amazon, go to this product, and they have a section there where you can input your TV model number, and they will tell you if this is compatible with your TV. Coming to the bottom, this has this MAC address, and yeah, blah blah. So let us do the unboxing. Also, the pack is quite heavy, and it should, as it has batteries and all this stuff inside. Yeah, plain enough. Let me take out the contents one by one. That's the remote. That's the HDMI extender adapter, if you can say. This is the micro USB cable. The Fire Stick itself. some documentation that says hello, yeah, hi, and it has what in the box, and basically how to set up your Fire Stick. What else? I feel there is something else here, something else hidden. These are the batteries, Amazon branded batteries. I haven't seen that before. That's nice. AAA and the plug. So let me just arrange this. This is what you get. So I will be doing a setup video of this and a review of this, how to set it up and how to best optimize the use of this. Do keep an eye out for that. So this yeah, I thought I'll just wait for you, but since there are so many of this, it doesn't make sense. So I guess that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and do check out one of our latest videos here, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.